Polyester. Imported. Light versatile. The Karley Bassinet is designed with a lightweight aluminum frame that allows you to move it easily from room to room. It comes with a no-tool assembly quick folding mechanism. Use it indoors and carry it outdoors without any hassle. Roomy interiors. With dimensions of 33x19. 5x37 inches, the Karley is as spacious as they come. The Roomy, airy bassinet features an adjustable double canopy that keeps bugs away. There is also a large storage bag to hold your baby's essentials. Stylish look. The Karley is made out of a soft, safe and comfortable polyester foam fabric, which is easy to clean. It is available in 9 beautiful finishes, allowing it to blend in beautifully with the nursery of your dreams. Mattress included. It includes a dual-sided 1-inch thick mattress pad as recommended by the ASTM CPSC. Mattress pad specs are 30L×15W×1H inches. It meets flame retardants requirement of CPSC, CA Prop 65, Vermont Act 0085, Bill S.81, NY Law 370701, 9. Other specs. The Karley Bassinet weighs 12.4 pounds and is recommended for newborns up to 25 pounds. The height with the canopy is 37 inches, height without is 27. Folded dimension. 19.5x6 by 32H inches. Top reviews from the United States. I found sheets. It's perfect. I know a lot of comments on previous reviews mentioned that the pad didn't come with sheets. Because my last baby died of SIDS while in a bassinet that has makeshift sheets on it, tight-fitting sheets were a must. Sheets for the Halo Bassinet work perfectly, they are tight-fitting and they don't make the pad curl up. If you don't like the color choices for the sheets at Baby R Us, Etsy.com has great choices.